Fix the volume.
Fix the volume. Just chocolate and vanilla is live. Can you see? There you are. You just go
Yeah, I
sit down.
am.
You just
Yeah,
go,
I am.
just go sit down.
Well, go on, June.
Joni, I first one European.
Good evening, good evening, good evening. Lucina, Patricia. Pick up yourself, pick up yourself. Good evening, good evening.
Patricia. Well, let's see. Lucina. Margaret.
Margaret.
Good night.
Good night, good
evening,
night, good night.
evening, good evening. Today what?
Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Come on in. Come on in.
Andrea, pick up yourself, Queen.
What a guan from
Blessings,
what a
blessings, blessings. Hope everybody's had a blessed week. Long time no
We're
see.
still in our week, Vanilla.
Yeah. Had a blessed week so far.
Yeah, it's a so far.
Okay, so far.
Woyoy, Andrea.
Gashi.
From Dominica.
Dominica in the house.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Hope you understand the patois.
A 2-year follower.
The patois is coming out of my mouth. Hope you understand the patois that be spilling out of my mouth. I can't talk no Spanish. Only a couple of words, a couple of sentences. Yeah, that's it. Let me see. That's it. Oh, Danette, Wagwan. Good evening, Danette. Good evening. Pick up yourself. We'll come out here to come chit chat with you guys, and we need some help from you guys tonight.
Yes, we need your assistance.
We need y'all assistance. Yes.
Please and thanks.
Yes, we need some assistance from y'all tonight. So just prepare yourself to help us through a little situation here.
Elaine.
Yes, Elaine Wagwan. Yes,
Oh, happy belated birthday.
Oh, happy belated birthday.
Yes, Queen.
Yes.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday
to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Vanilla, I don't know if you're done, we'll continue.
Harry, pick up yourself.
Happy birthday till tomorrow. Yeah, that's all. Who that?
Harry.
Noel, good night. When I say good night, my baby, I love you so much. I'm from Grenada. Oh, where your baby? How are you say? A big old tough kid, somebody like a your baby, or a vanilla. The man say good night to baby.
Are you
Me no look me no baby. Me no baby tonight. Yeah, me no baby tonight. Brown. Patricia.
Shanice.
Gillens. Good night, Shanice Brown. Wagwan. Marva. Marlene Doyle. Abina. Good night.
Are you on my chat? Stop going like I know.
Are you my chat?
Stop going like I know.
Are you look like
Harry.
Johnson?
Harry. The chocolate I chat.
I don't know chocolate. You're not even over here. I'm browning. Below me car, below me bike, below me body and teeth. But most of all, below me browning. Are you my talk? Yeah. Bye, one. Sandrine, how you doing? Big up yourself. Where man the feed? Harry,
where you there?
Your baby there here. See your baby.
See your baby right here. I don't know what she hiding
from. You're not young baby. You're grown ass man. Precious God, how you doing? How y'all doing tonight? You look good? Yeah, we're gonna need some help doing the show. June. Sonia Brown. Oh, she a big up Sonia Brown. Yeah. I stuck with stock. You look like you freeze. And we freeze, guys.
Yeah, look like you freeze.
Oh, we're freeze. We're freeze.
There, done for them.
Oh. Yeah.
Deanna.
Leroy. We have some kings up in here. Diana, how you doing, Queen?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, Wagwan. Yeah.
Oh, let's say Winifred.
Oh, Winifred. Okay, thank you. Marcia, Corey.
Grenada's in the Caribbean.
Yeah, we
the
know.
Question for your Harry
But
is,
we just want to know. Your baby want to know.
Chocolate say, are you?
No, your baby want to
she,
know
yes,
if you're
yes.
talking to her. From Grenada.
Chocolate want to know.
Yeah,
If,
Patricia,
if you
Wagwan.
talk about her. Make her know.
Diane. Yes.
Diane.
Keep frozen.
Giovanni.
What a guan. Alright, since so none of freeze then.
Rose Grant, big up yourself.
Rose Grant, big up yourself. When I go stay all night and big up. Alright, when I go on, big up.
Both looking flawless. Thank you so
Oh,
much,
thank you.
Elizabeth. Kizzy.
Jason. Wagwan. I am blessed, thank God. That's right.
Yeah,
that's right. Thank God. God is good.
Andreen.
Andreen Reed. What a guan, Andreen. Alright. So we come to talk of some things tonight. As well as we're gonna need help for something, right?
Yes.
But before we're going to need your guys' help, we have something we want to talk about, right? Yes. Elizabeth, you love me here? Ah, thank you so much. It's dry. Yeah, it's dry. But thank you so much.
Suzette, big up yourself.
Thank you so much. Yes. Desiree.
Good night.
Big up. We're trying to big up as much as we can.
Tashi.
Big up yourself, Tashi. Yes, we try to big up as many people as we can before we start blabber with mouth. Because you know when we start blabber with mouth,
sometimes we don't remember about
sometimes we not even remember about the
Teresa,
comment. Yeah. Teresa, how are you? Janet. Elizabeth. Vanilla, you're looking great too.
Thank you so much.
Vanilla, you're looking great. Where Vanilla baby there? He's still in there in God.
Arlene.
Laurel Guy Gibson, big up yourself. Latoya Williams, Vivian, how you doing? Greetings one and all. Welcome to the Chocolate and Vanilla platform. If it's your first time joining us, we want to welcome you.
Welcome.
Yes. I'm Chocolate.
And I'm Vanilla.
Yes, and we're best friends. So just want to put that out there for all the newbies. Most of you in here tonight know that. Fiona, Verna, Laverne, yes. Vivian, I said greetings to Vivian, Karen Phillips, Suzette Lindsay, yes, Alrika. Me push up the phone and guess who me say auntie sit down there. Somebody on the screen, yes. So guys, here one now we're gonna talk about Celine. Good night.
Celine, Cipriana,
how you doing? Yes. So, all right, guys. The last time Vanilla and I went on a girls' trip, right? Someone posted on our personal page that married women, when they go on girls' trip, they go to cheat on their husband. That's what someone posts on our personal Facebook page. So my question to you, queens in the house, and to you, kings in the house tonight, do you believe that what a married woman should go on a girl's trip or a married man on a guy's trip? Yes, what are your thoughts on that? And I'm going to elaborate on what I think.
And I'm going to put in my 2 cents.
Yes. Camille, how you doing? Maureen Douglas. I can only speak for myself. I can't speak for all the married women in the world. I can speak for myself.
I can only speak for myself in my relationship.
Yes. So, from time to time, Vanilla and I, we go on girls' trip. From time to time, I'll go on a trip.
From time to time, I'll go on a trip.
I'll go on a business trip.
Yep.
And I'll just go on a trip, most of the time Jamaica. I won't go any other country by myself but Jamaica because I'm a yard that. So if me I go on one trip by myself, 100% a Jamaica me I go. Yeah? But me will go on business trip, yes, by myself. No, I don't see a problem with a married woman going on a girl's trip. And I feel like that person who put that statement out there is speaking about herself, because that's what I think she would have done as a married woman. You understand? But you can't deflect who you are onto me.
Well, yeah.
You understand? Because my husband know who I am. You understand? I am the type of a wife that if me and my husband walk and me bump into a guy that I grew up with, I'm not afraid to give him a hug and to introduce him to my husband and to have a conversation with him.
Exactly.
You understand?
And there shouldn't be anything wrong with that. You should, your significant other should feel good within themselves for know what the boundaries are. There are boundaries in our marriage.
First of all, my husband know the woman that he married to.
Exactly.
You understand? Him know the woman that he married to. He know that when me go on a trip, me go for have fun if it's a girl's trip. Him know if me go on a trip for business, it's all about business. That's the type of woman that I am. If my husband want to go on a guy's trip, I don't stop him from, he can go.
Yep.
My husband went to Jamaica with just him brothers to go spend time with him, go look for him family and spend time with him father. I don't have a problem with that.
My husband's gone quite a few times to Jamaica without me.
I don't ever want to be under anybody armpit like a deodorant. I
was born by myself, so I'm not a conjoined twin.
I have my freedom, and I want my husband to have his freedom. You understand? If a man gonna cheat on you, he doesn't need to go on a guy's trip to cheat on you. You understand me? If I want to cheat on my husband, I don't need to go on a trip to cheat on my husband. You understand? You have to know the person that you married to. Yeah? I'm not ever gonna be one of them wife that if me and my husband go at a family function, I have to be up under him armpit and can't let him have conversation with him brothers and the other male guys that are there, or female, whomever. No, I just can't live my life like that.
No.
I cannot live my life like that.
You have to allow your significant other to have space. You can't hover over them 24/7. You have to allow them to be themselves. You have to allow them freedom to do what they want to do. As I want to do what I want to do, I'm not going to stop him from doing what he wants to do.
My husband can do what he wants to do, but he knows that we have a union as long as he doesn't step out of that and disrespect our marriage. You understand what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Yeah, he can go out with his guy friends.
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying? I need room to grow, and as an individual, I don't ever want to be so dependent on a man that I cannot function without him around. I'm not that type of woman.
No.
And I will never be that type of woman. I will never be under any man's government. I want to earn things in life with me and my husband, and I want to earn things on my own. There's no better feeling than if I want to buy something, I can just get up and buy it without having to ask my husband. My husband is happy when I ask him for something, because I hardly do.
Exactly.
He's so happy when I ask him for something.
My husband says, how come you don't ask me for nothing?
He has to buy it
himself
on his own and surprise me with it and give it to me. Because I am that independent. And the thing that I found out with a lot of females too, when they get married to a man, like I said, they took the Bible literally. Like you two now become one, them take it literally. Them block out everybody out of them life once they get married. Them family, them black out them them no longer go around them family. Them no longer talk to them friend where them grew up with from them little bit, and I grew up, not me. Not me. You met me with my family gonna be my family. My family have to have respect though for my husband, and there are boundaries. You understand? The same thing with him and his family. I don't ever want to pull him away from his family. No, not at all. No. No, but there are boundaries. Of course there are. There are boundaries. Yeah? And there gotta be mutual respect. Yes. But you have some people who take that literally, and when shit hit the fan now, within the marriage, then want to run back to that same family where them lock out for years. Then want to run back to that friend where them in shut out for years. I expect everybody now must be there for them, for her or him. When you totally abandoned everybody, you know, for your wife or your partner. Yeah. Why can't you have your relationship? Why aren't you strong enough? Yeah? Why aren't you strong enough to love your husband, be your wife, or love your woman, be your husband, and still have relationships with the people that you've had relationships prior to.
Exactly.
Yeah? I'm not gonna have friends who, if me can go on a girl's trip with my friend, she shouldn't be my friend.
Exactly.
Because I'm a grown woman. Nobody can influence me into doing anything that I don't want to do.
Yeah.
You understand? And people blame things on alcohol and stuff. Are things what I mean want for do. Because I'm never gonna get to the point of not knowing myself.
Or what you're doing.
Or what I'm doing. You understand?
Or be aware of your surroundings.
But it just baffles me that there are women who act as though them never go outside, right? Them never go outside. I've been outside where a man will say to me, "Good morning, beautiful. You look so nice today." And I said, "Thank you." And he'll say to me, "Have a good day." That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. And when we look on it, him married. Him just say, "Hi, beautiful. You looking nice today. Have a good day." And I just say, "Thank you." I've seen men already outside. Yeah. And I know my husband obsessed with sneakers. And I will see somebody in the latest Jordan, and I'm a guy, and I'm like, "I love your shoes. My husband would love those sneakers." Yeah, things are going on for them sneakers there. And him said, "Thank you." I'm just keep, have a good day. I'm gone. Yes, my husband know who I am.
Exactly.
Him know the wife for him have. So when time me go on a girl's trip, nobody now have to sit down and lay down and worry about it, because trust me, him not worry about it. The best feeling is when me go on, no matter if me I go for 3 days, might go on like say me I go for a year or some stay. If him I go for 3 days or a week, me go on like him I gone forever. Oh, me I gonna miss you.
Is when you come back or when you're coming back, man. And talk about nice sex.
The best sex are when Mike would truck the plane, when he know me I leave from Jamaica, come back home, him truck the plane. Yeah, and him said, "Oh, you're there in Miami now. Locks."
Yes.
And him go on like a 1 whole year, me they gone for, and I see him when me go on. And nothing better than when time he meet me at the airport and me jump up on him. Like one of that thing say, at 10 years me they gone for.
Yeah.
And it no matter how much time me do
feeling.
it, I saw it happen. See him saw it happen.
Yeah.
Yes. When Mike gone and I come back, me want to make sure
everything good.
Everything good. What you want
nice
to
eat? Everything.
Yes. What you want to eat? Yeah. And the sex. Ooh. What?
Amazing.
What? But
Can I say it again?
But you have somebody eat up under you 24/7.
You not get no chance from Mr. Person.
Really?
Me couldn't be.
No,
I couldn't be one of them.
Do it.
I couldn't be one of them wives that work with my husband. You have to have that space.
Me can't do
You
it.
do your thing. Let me do my thing. You deal with your business. Let me deal with my business. And when we come home, we have something to talk about. I can't see myself going to work and being around you 24/7. Me need to.
I cannot be
I love you, but me need
with an ignorant man. Yeah, an ignorant man is not for chocolate. A man that doesn't have a sense of humor is not for chocolate. A man who's insecure is not for chocolate. You understand? You have to be secure in who you are as a man and my husband. Yes? And my husband is very secure in who I am as a wife. Another part to this, people, that I want to share with you. The other day when we went to the Night of Elegance, someone took the clip of me and Your Majesty dancing and they sent it to my husband. A woman who dealt with somebody when my husband know. They took that clip and sent it. She took that clip and sent it to my husband and put on there, is this your wife? Believe me when I tell you, because he showed it to me. And he responded to her and said, yes, that's my wife and her friend. But this is nice, but you need to check out the one that they did in Canada. That one is way better. You have to see when him pick her up. Just like that. Can you believe the audacity?
Audacity.
Can you
the two of
believe
them fully
the
clothed.
audacity?
Hello? They're fully clothed. How many people were in the room?
That little scene with Majesty and I dancing. Yes. She well and damn well I know say I mean. Yeah? Well, it depends on chocolate and vanilla page. We never hide it.
No.
My husband sit down and watch it. You're going to ask if, is this your wife? Yeah, I'm me. I'm me. Yes, I'm me. CM1. Me, CM1. And Majesty did a dance. Yes. You know, see one at Canada when he picked me up. At the one that you should have did send. And him see too. So I'm refer you to it. You understand? Yes. And it's not the first time I've spoken about it before on this platform where I went to Jamaica. And I, usually when I go to Jamaica, I'll get like day pass or overnight passes for my friends who live in Jamaica to come see me and spend time with me. You know, somebody call him all the way from Jamaica. If he said them see me pan live, like say him not have a phone,
like
and him no watch me there Jamaica by myself. Me didn't know say me a 5-year-old and me can't there Jamaica by myself. I didn't know I was 3 years old and I'm not allowed to dance with my friend. The nerve and the audacity of these people.
Big up yourself, observant. Big up
Observant, big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Big up Splendid.
Yes. The audacity. Me and my husband been together now for over 31 years. You think him not know the type of wife that he has?
Exactly.
I'm not a cheap person. I love people. And my husband knows that about me. Whether you are a female or a male, I'm going to treat you with love. Yes? My husband there, I can hug you. Because he knows his wife ain't going to leave with you. And his wife not going to stick her tongue in your mouth and touch you upon your front. That's not the type of wife he has. He knows that I'm going to give him the respect that I always give to him.
Not gonna
some of them make comments here upon social media when I do my Master Baker and I go after Bringy. Master Baker is a character. Them say me a married woman and me over here and me obsessed pan Chris Bringer. Master Baker is a character. And in Master Baker took Bringo and create a male character in her head called Bringy. But because I know, Master Baker know, so social media, I think about the actual Bringo, she plays on that for comedy. The man is married and I don't need his Bringo. I don't think about his Bringo. When I'm acting Master Baker,
it's just that, acting.
It's a character I'm playing to. That's it.
It would be no different. It would be no different for you if you were acting in a movie and you had a kissing scene with somebody. It's acting.
You understand? People comment, me a married woman, I'm over here, I got crazy over Chris Bringo.
Crazy.
The audacity. Because that's what they would have done. They can't separate things. Yes, so them want to pass on what their dirty thoughts onto me. Yeah, Master Baker, my alter ego, who can play anybody she want to play. Me create Bringy off of Bringo, because I knew that Chris's audience would know exactly what me I talk about, right? But in a for them head, them a think say a Bringo, and everybody will hear about Bringo, I think say Bringy a Bringo. You understand? In a my head, I know him penis. Me I talk to, yeah.
He's a man.
In a my head, Bringy a female alter ego when me create for him. You understand me? Yes. It's comedy. My husband know about it. Him know say when me say Bringo or Bringy or whatever I want to call it, me not go jump on it and want to ride on it. That's not the wife him have. Me will sit down over here all day upon camera and go at it. But when it comes to real life, female wife will never act on that. Because he knows that. So there's no reason for him to be insecure about that. He knows it's comedy. You understand?
Exactly it, comedy.
Yes. And if he meet Chris, nothing but respect. Because once me say I'm a friend that, or that's my friend, he treat people with respect, and he's a fun person too. Yes? Me can't deal with no boring man. Yeah? Can't do it. Me can't deal with no man that if me look, when one man a pass, him box me in my face, me not married to nobody with stay so.
No.
Me can't be with nobody with stay so.
Absolutely not.
Me too dainty for them the type of relationship there. Me too fragile. Yes.
It never happen.
No.
Never work.
You understand me? No. I've been out with my nephews already. Right? And them see girls out there. Nephews were in a relationship and they will see a girl. And they're like, that dress looks so nice on you. Yeah? And the girl will say, thank you. And he said, yes. You have a great day. Them the woman the way I make them the comment, never, all them ears under the pan earth, never bumping and nobody stays up. Every man will approach, want to there with and getting on the clothes.
But that's what you think?
Never been wrong, no good man will have them wife and committed to them wife, but will tell you say you're beautiful and just keep it moving. Never been wrong, nobody saw.
Right.
Stoosh boutique. Pick up yourself. Huh?
That's
well,
crazy.
if you have never been around nobody, so you don't have a female friend, a best friend, a female friend in your life that you can go eat, not even if you don't go on vacation, you can go to dinner with. Huh? You can go shopping with. Without your husband or your boyfriend or whomever you date, you don't have no relationship like that. You don't know about no relationship like that.
I'm sorry for you.
I feel sorry for you.
I feel sorry for you.
I feel sorry for you. Very sorry for you.
But
don't you try to impose what you would have done as a woman if you go on vacation, a girl's trip. Don't try to push that onto chocolate.
Or your insecurities as a wife on us,
yes,
because of your insecurities.
No, I can go anywhere.
We are secure within ourselves and our marriages.
I can get up and say I want to go to New York to go visit my family for the weekend. Mike, I'm gonna go to New York next weekend. Go spend the weekend with my family. Okay, babe. You gonna need a ride to the airport, or you gonna drive and park at the airport? Mike, I have a business trip. I need to go to Jamaica. Okay, the only thing will concern my husband is that wherever I'm going to have this business thing is safe.
The safety. Yeah.
And if him review a resort that I'm going and I feel like say, I dem if it's here, him way upgrade it. As them things there him care about. Yes. Them things, my safety.
Yeah.
When we are go, them care about with safety. Wherever we are go together. Them they are concerned. It's never, who are go there? Man I go stay a resort on go? When I go pass man through airport?
A female resort only you go to?
A female resort on?
Really? Come on.
None of that. Yeah.
Give me a break.
No. My safety. Yeah? You gonna need anything? You want me to do anything? Them their questions.
What you need?
You understand? And him can get up and say him want to look for him family. I'll buy him the ticket.
Yep.
Buy
Have fun.
Have fun.
Enjoy yourself.
Yes.
See you when you come back.
Them go enough Sundays gonna gun range.
Gun
because
here.
I'm not into the gun range thing. You understand? So we got a gun range with them brother. And them male friend, them got a gun range.
Yeah,
Vanilla and I gone shopping at the mall.
Gone here, gone there.
Then there's a time when my husband and I, we do things together.
Absolutely.
Yes. We do things together and we do things apart. What's wrong with that? I don't want to get lost in a no man. Not this woman. The man that with me I will get lost in her, him not make it. The only man who want to get lost in her is God. Jesus. That's it.
That's it. God.
Yes. No, me not get lost in a no man. I have to be under one man 24/7.
No,
and can't be myself and do things that I want to do. We do things together. We go on vacation together. There's a time for me and Mike. We go on vacation together. We go on vacation with families. We go on vacation and we go on a girls trip. Yes. Yes. And I think that's what makes my relationship work. I'm not telling everybody to do that. But that's what makes my relationship work. You understand?
But the thing
I
was,
don't want to hold him
audacity.
as I don't want to hold him as no prisoner.
No.
And I don't want no man to hold me as no damn prisoner.
Exactly. And it was a fact that what them say about, we don't want cheat.
We
really?
want cheat.
Come on, man.
Really? You're not going to go on vacation. You're not going to go on vacation for cheat.
There are plenty of money right here.
Yeah, you don't have to go up on vacation for cheat. Yes, and we ladies, queens know that we're the best cheaters from planet Earth. If we want to cheat. We're not going to go on vacation to cheat. You understand? But I don't need to cheat.
Don't need to cheat.
I don't have the urge to cheat. There's no reason for me to cheat. You understand? Yes. So, them want to put them own
insecurity.
Deflect them own insecurity onto us.
Yes.
And because they see, I feel like she sees things that we're doing that she would love to do, but she cannot do it. Yeah. So instead, you know them people there will knock something because they have the desire to do it, but they can't do it.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
But you don't have to throw cheating in the mix. You understand? Right. What cheating have to do with going on girls trip.
Right.
We go on girls trip, we do girls things that I know Mike wouldn't want to do.
Exactly.
When me and Vanilla go on trip, we do things with Vanilla that I know Mike Wando. Mike love these adventurous excursions. You understand?
Of course.
Yes. Me and Vanilla would do things that were more girly. And more girly. We got, Mike we got a spa too, but I'm not saying that way him crave for go. But me and Vanilla were excited for do things like that. Got a spa and you know what I mean? Them kind of things there.
Yeah.
Yes. Want go shopping. And them stuff there. Yeah? Yeah. So we do girls things.
Yeah, Slater said I do more girls trips than with my spouse.
Than with your spouse.
See?
And are you cheating on your spouse when you do these girls trips? I bet not. I see girls on when we go a resort. Enough time we see ladies there on girls trips.
Groups of
women all the time. Married. Single, whatever. If me have friends and me go on girls trip with them and they know that I'm married and try for
and they're single, they're not gonna try to influence you.
And nobody can influence you, but if they make any suggestive statement leaning in that regard about cheating, you know what I mean, and know that I'm married, then that's not a friend for me.
Correct.
That's not a friend for me. Yeah, that's not a friend that I need to go on a girl's trip with, and that's definitely not a friend for me, because right then and there you're disrespecting my marriage.
Exactly.
Because you know I'm married.
Exactly.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yes. So me go on girl's trip with Vanilla, and Vanilla have conversation. Them type of conversation that with men. You know, I'm going to tell her, I'm not come on no more girls trip with you because you married my brother-in-law, and I think what you're doing isn't right.
Disrespectful.
And I think
right.
that is totally disrespectful. You understand?
Yeah.
Because Vanilla know all me stay when me want, me go say what me want to say right in front of that man and she. Like, yeah, that's disrespectful. When I come here for that.
Right.
Yeah, I'm not go on no more trip with you. By the way, me go tell Clifford when I go home. Yes.
I see what you're saying. Trust me.
And walk where I'm
and
gone.
trust me, I do the same thing.
And walk where I'm going. And probably I'll go and pack up my suitcase and left for the next trip. That's how I behave. Yeah. You understand me? Very independent is me. Me cannot be dependent.
No.
You understand? Very independent. I love gaining things on my own and also with my husband. Yeah, but I feel so good when I'm able to do things for myself. You understand? Yes. And sometimes he said that to me, you're just super independent. And I say, I've been that way forever, so me not gonna change that.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
You know? Yes. That's just me. Good night, Marianne. Envious, and she sees that you're living a good life and respect each other. She trying to come make me say, true. The bottom line is, once you have respect, respect is a big deal. Respect, honesty, loyalty to your spouse. Yes? Yeah. I don't meet the man yet that can make me abandon my family.
No.
Me and my family was there before he came along. We go through, you got me at my best. Me and my family go through some suffering together. When you're not calling up, putting that a simple term. We go it out together. You understand? It will we pack up together. You understand? And for somebody coming in and want to, and then me totally abandoned my family because I felt like, okay, I don't need them no more. No, I will always need my family.
See, somebody just put in here, Queens, I went on a girls' trip to the Dominican Republic. 5 ladies of us. And everything was good. They had a great time. See?
It's wonderful going on girls' trips.
That's right.
I love going on vacation with my husband. Yes?
Of course.
And I love going on girls' trip too.
Absolutely.
Yes? And I love visiting my family with my husband. And I love visiting my family without my husband. I love visiting my husband's family, him and I love when he go by himself to go visit his family and spend that time with his family without
time.
me.
Absolutely.
Because I'm not a deodorant.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
Yes?
When
I go any place, family function or whatever function with my husband, we sit together, of course, but I'm gonna get up and I mingle with people and him can talk, him can hold him on. I don't feel like me have to up under him, just each up under him, so. Just so. Yeah, you ever see that woman, sometimes you want to talk to all your brother and him and him brother and support it, they don't want me to hear. Me have conversation with my sisters when me no want him to hear. Suppose I want to have conversation with him brother where him no want me to hear. When me just hitch up on that man, so.
Well, then we talk about some guy stuff and
yes.
That's boring.
But in reality of life,
give him a break.
I know everything me talk, me now play a hypocrite.
No.
I know everything me talk, me want him to hear. I want to talk to me. Suppose my sister have something go on in her life and she just want confine in me. Me no want him to hear. She want to tell me. She didn't want to tell it to away. She should call it to away together and tell away.
That's right.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. But you have some female then come with a man and then just they know you're not, they know whole family and then just come and stuck upon that man and then no matter how much years they know you for then just come there and just stuck up. You then want you to come over, come talk to them. Then now left from beside the man.
Or them sit down on him lap.
Me surprised said that him man now take a bathroom with that.
Right. Me say you sit down on the man lap all night long. So what you try to do? Put the man legs to sleep?
No.
You get up and can't even walk. And the man have the pressure of you on him all night long.
Me's not that type of
No,
female.
sir.
Me no want be that type. Yeah, I'm a free spirit person. Me love when me might go anywhere. Me mingle with people. Me not feel restricted. I cannot feel. I don't like restriction. Me no want nobody put me under no restriction. You understand? Maybe because I was, me not have a father would treat me like that. Me not under no restriction kind of thing. You understand? Yeah. No. I want to be free and be myself, you know, whether I'm with my husband or I'm without my husband.
Yes.
I'm that same person with my husband as for who have met me on here. That's exactly how I would have been if he was there. Yes. May I dance with you, same way. Yes. And him a walk and talk to people, same way. Come have a mouth and him fun.
Right.
Yes. And any ladies that want to dance with him, you can dance with him. Me not get vexed. None at all. Because one thing me know, my husband now go wind up on you and grow up on you and slap you on your body and no.
And I feel up.
No.
Feel you up.
That's
No.
one thing me know for a fact. You understand? No. Yeah. Yes. Vanilla not easy.
Some females are very insecure to the point everywhere the men go, they have to be there. Exactly, Elizabeth. Exactly.
I'm nobody's tail.
No.
I'm not nobody's tail. You understand me?
You do you, I'll do me, and we'll do us.
I feel like that,
That's right.
Patricia. I need my freedom. I can't speak for everybody. I cannot speak for every woman out there. I can only speak for myself and speak for my sisters because they're, and my mother. Those are examples of marriages that have been around. I'm going to say none of them under no man government. No? No, I'm going to say none of them under no man government. My sisters, them free to go where them want to go. Yes? Yeah? My mother, she was free to go in our church. My father wasn't in the church. Him not stop her from going to church. Wherever church have function, she did it. Yeah? She knows that him not into that, so him do him thing. Yes? She do her thing. She go, and sometimes he'll join with her because him know that she love that. So him will go with her. You understand?
Oh,
yes.
Miss Lothian, big up yourself. I never see her.
Miss
Somebody
Lothian.
say she's on the live.
If you're up on the live, Miss Lothian, me still await for my pudding.
Miss Lothian,
In
big up
the
yourself,
name
queen.
of Jesus, I want the pudding, Miss Lothian. Yeah? Yes, Miss Lothian. You say you go ship out. And every time me hear the delivery truck in the neighborhood, may I look out there for say for Miss Lothian's pudding. Where should I?
I don't know. Somebody said
Karen
she's
Blair.
here.
From the man respect you, it should not be any problem to be away from you.
Exactly.
Respect. That is the bottom line.
Yep.
Respect. Respect your union. Once you respect your union, respect your marriage, yeah, then I don't feel like there should be any restriction.
Exactly.
Yes? The restriction is on my body.
Yes.
You understand? That's where the restriction is. It's on my body. As long as me not cross that the line there, as long as him not cross that the line there, can't go anywhere I want to go.
Exactly.
And I can do the same. Yeah. Yes. Good night. Oh, she has a good night. Yes. So that's where that female post, and then like myself who later come in, somebody have the nerve to send the clip of Majesty and I dancing at the night of elegance to my husband. And he told the person, say, this one is nice, but you should go look for the one that they did in Canada because that one is nicer. He actually picked her up. Yeah? Yeah, that one is nicer. He actually picked her up. Yeah, that one the more festive. If you know what I mean. Yes.
Boy.
Like I said, me not married to no ignorant man. Yeah? No dark man as them call it. Yeah. Yeah, me not, no.
My husband
Me can't be in
secure
them
with
the
him.
type.
My husband's secure
Can't be
with
in them the
himself.
type of relationship. Me
No.
too free spirit for being in them type of relationships there. You understand? Too free spirit. Yeah. Him say you need to go check out the one when lift her up. Yeah, the one the festive bud. Yeah.
A good thing I know me because I was rolling on the floor.
Yeah, there are people watching. Seriously, I watch. Seriously.
Very much out of
Very
order,
much
Crystal.
so.
Yes, very much out of order.
And it's not the first time it happened. Someone said it. I was in Jamaica by myself for the people that just joined me. Yeah, I went on a business trip. Yeah, and when I go there, I usually give day passes or even overnight passes to my friends to come spend time with me. And somebody called him up here. You didn't know, sir? Your wife there in Jamaica? Him said, we live together, yes.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
Yes. You know? Yes. And him watch me when I go up on live. You know what I mean? So, if me that hide from my husband, what me not go live for?
Right.
Yeah?
Put it out there.
Jesus Christ. Chocolate and vanilla glow and love. Friendship.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. All right, guys. Yeah, we don't chat about them people there. The bottom line is, guys,
we're gonna
your relationship is your relationship. You know what works for your relationship, right? As long as you have a happy and healthy relationship, people on the outside doesn't matter. You understand? I wouldn't have lasted over 31 years if I had let people on the outside have any influence over my relationship. Mike and I does what works for us, yeah? What makes us happy, not what make other people out the road happy. Their perception is not our reality. You understand? What they perceive as them say, me over here, I go crazy over Bringle. When that's an act, that's a character. I have no reason to go crazy over Bringle. You understand? Because I have a Bringle right here. I don't need to cross the ocean for a Bringle. My Bringle resides right here. Yes?
Right here.
It downstairs right now. I can't deal with no far distance anaconda. And I've done enough long distance when my husband was in Jamaica. And me pledge if it never work, no more long distance thing for me. You understand? So me have the anaconda or the bringy or the bringer lay down downstairs. So I don't need to fantasize over anybody's bringer or bringy. That's a character. All right?
It's
master. When I'm doing Master Baker, I don't feel like I'm chocolate. I go into a zone. Master Baker is a totally different somebody from chocolate. Chocolate is a respectful wife, yes, and mother, and sister, and auntie,
and friend,
yeah, and grandmother, yes, and most importantly, not most importantly, but a badass businesswoman. Why you not see on social media? Yes. 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 My husband is fun. Keep that in mind. Whenever I see me the Master Baker and come out about bringing, my husband aware of that character. Yeah. Yeah. He know me not fly over England. Go play with nobody bringing. You know? Right. Yeah. It's just for my audience, for them laugh. That's it.
Just comedy. That's
Bam
right,
Bam
Elizabeth.
Jamaica.
That's right, Elizabeth. Sweet stick. Yes, Bam Bam. Big up
Sugar
yourself.
stick. Yes, Bam Bam, big up yourself.
And just to add, we will continue to go on our girls' trip.
Oh, absolutely.
So,
we will continue to go on our girls' trip, and I will continue to take my trips, business trips, without my husband.
Yep.
I don't need my husband to come and sit in on a meeting with me.
No.
I have mouth to speak for myself, and I know what I'm doing. I've been doing it for years.
Yes.
All right? In order to have a clue, sometimes I may chat about. Yeah. And me no want go and none of him meeting with him. Me good, right, yes, sir? Yeah? Yeah. Always love watching.
When my husband go out without me, I always tell him to enjoy
himself.
Dance. Make sure you buy the lady a drink. That's
Dance.
right.
That's right. That's me. So whenever them have any function, and my husband decide to come with me and we're gonna bump into we, and you want dance with my husband because it smells so good. And him look way better than online. Remember me tell you. In a real, dance with him. Dance with him. Yes, dance with him. Don't be afraid. Chocolate is not an ignorant woman. Yes.
No.
I am very confident in who I am. Yes. Joke with him too. Yes. Crystal Hussein, Chris, you bring a cause problem because them who complain can't get a hug or shake and from
That's it.
You hit it right
Crystal.
here. That's it. That's it. That's it. They not taught me from when me see my papa and if me want to dance or if me want hug, them cannot tap me.
Or if I want to pick you up.
Yeah, or if my papa decide to pick me up. They better sit down and watch that happen. I love it. Yeah. And love it. Yeah. You love whiskey? Thank you so much. Master Baker rest. Yeah, Master Baker, the panaka break. You understand me? Master Baker want to come out for all type of people. And me have to tell her so she need to make a decision. And she have a hard time. You understand? Yeah, she want to come out for so much people. It's a whole crowd. Master Baker want to take on. Lord Jesus, me have to tell her, calm down. Pick one. Yeah? Know what kind of fight for pick. You understand? Know what kind. Pick your, choose your battles wisely, Master Baker.
Yes.
You understand? She dip on me, so she want to come out for somebody named Bertha.
Oh yes. Yes, Bertha.
She dip on me, so she want to come out for Bertha and Bertha grandmother, because she is a Bertha grandmother. Dana, America. Down in Florida. Me afia calm down, Master Baker. Calm down. Who is Bertha? You need to explain these things to me. Who is Bertha? She said, and not just Bertha, a Dr. Bertha. I said, Dr. Bertha. Master Baker, you know a doctor? Master Baker said, yes. Me afia wall her back because she want send out threat to Bertha. Dr. Bertha, I should say. Yeah. She want come out here for Dr. Bertha. And a whole other group of people from Granny to the entire generation of Dr. Bertha. Me no know what Dr. Bertha do her. But she said she feel like Dr. Bertha over her yard did a skit her out.
And I throw a word.
And I throw a word upon her. And she want to come out for Dr. Bertha. So me will see how it go. Me no know how much longer me can hold Master Baker from attacking Bertha and Dr. Bertha. Me no know how long me can tell her to chill out.
Yeah.
So any day she bust out, me do the best me can. Me try. Yeah, me try.
You've held her off for a minute now, so.
Love you too, Sharon Powell. Love you. Thank you, Queen.
Love you too, Sharon.
All right, guys. You know that past weekend we went out school shopping, and we said that we were shopping for one child. Now I've got a lot of text messages saying, "Chocolate, that is a whole lot for just one child."
Yes, and say.
So I'm here to ask you guys for your help. Do you think I should break it up between two child?
How many?
How many you think? We're gonna show you all the stuff, and you tell me how many kids we can break this apart, share this with, right? I don't want a child to get one sharpener.
No.
That not gonna happen.
No.
I don't want them just to get 2 books, because by the time they start writing 2 books, it done. I want to be fair. I want them to get something to last them for a while. That was my intention.
Yes.
Yeah, but if them say it can go for more than one child, then let's do it. Help me split it, right? And when we do our back to school giveaway, we have those. We have those ready. right? In addition to the cash that we always do.
Put out.
We always put out
Yeah.
to help in you purchasing whatever to help in sending a child back to school. So we're going to take out the bags. We're going to show you what we have. Yeah, just in case some of you weren't on the live. We can just help with. Huh? My pillar roll gone. We're going to show you who said I'm weak. Oh, you're weak? You're not weak yet? Wait till Master Baker come. Because I don't think we can hold her in too much longer.
All right, so this one has colored pencils. It
Hold
has...
it up to the so them can see. That one was a kit. This one
It's
is
a
a kit with a whole bunch of stuff in there.
So it has folders, it has rulers, it has binders, pens, scissors, pencils, crayons, highlighters, sharpener, glue sticks. So this has a lot. It's 67 pieces. This one is 67.
Right, that one. This has 67 pieces in there. We have reams. Let's just do all the same things together.
Okay,
That way they
yep.
know. This is a ream of paper, 500 sheets. And I think we get, how many of these? 2.
Did we get 2? I think, or 1.
Is it 2 or 1?
I think it's 1.
Oh, 1, I guess. May I read on the comments here? Probably to a family with more than 1 child going to school. That's a great idea too.
Well,
But we can't guarantee that.
no, that's
the
it.
thing.
We can't guarantee that.
Because, you know, we can't guarantee that. We always do games when we give things away over here. And for those who are watching us now for a while knows that's how we do our giveaway. There's always a game for someone to win. You understand?
We try to make it
we
fun.
try to make it fun. We try to make it unbiased.
Yeah.
You understand? Everybody stand a chance. Yeah? So I don't want to say, okay, somebody I gonna say in the comment I have, you know, 3 kids and me decide to give to them. That's not how we do it over here. We have a level playing field for people who have, for all the queens who have kids and think that this will be helpful. They stand a chance. We don't pick out nobody. Yeah, you have to come and see what we are doing and try to participate and win it for a child.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay, so these are legal pads. We have 3 of them.
Maybe 3 children. Okay.
These are legal pads.
These
The
are
yellow-
legal.
The yellow pads?
Yeah.
Yeah. We have 4. Sorry, 4. I said
4 of
3.
them, right.
4.
I bought everything for just 1 child. Yeah? And say these are the loose sheets. There are 4 of them. And there are how many sheets in them? I will leave, man. 150 sheets in this. So 4 times 150. Right? May I read in the comments? Yeah?
Oh, you have to come on and go back.
But it now show me.
There. Okay, there's another one first.
Another one.
The
Okay.
bag.
A bag of what?
The books.
These are different books.
But they're paper. These are construction paper. We got 2 packs of construction paper, and each one has 120 sheets of construction paper.
Yes, we got these are the I think this is 10. 10 of these.
Move this off the table, because I can go get high.
Yeah, you can move it off the table. 10 of these. Right? I think 2 children will work nicely. That's my thought too, because I don't want to share it through too thin. You understand? I want it to be able to serve that child for a good little while. You understand? Not just 2 weeks of school or a month of school and then them not have no book for writing. What's the point in that? No. Pencils. This is 48 pencils. Each pack is 24. That amount is total, can split evenly. For 3, who said 3? Somebody said 3.
So we have.
I'm confused.
We have these post-it notes. They're the sticky notes, post-it notes, whatever you call them. They're 100 sheets each, and we have 3 of them.
And we have the folders. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have a dozen of the plastic. These are plastic paper folder. Plastic, what do you call them? I don't know a name.
They're folders. They're
Folders.
Yeah, to put paper in.
Yeah. We have plastic and paper.
Well, there's about 10, something like
that. 12.
12? Oh,
12.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have.
So we want, may I read the comment? 2 children will be ideal. Hey, Queens, glad I catch you alive. Shazabi, how you doing, Queen? How are you?
Love you, Shaza.
How are you doing, Queen? Glad to have you on. Glad to have you on our live. Juliana Henry.
Okay, these are binders.
Yeah, these are binders.
We have, these are 1-inch binders, and we have 3 of them. It holds, the sheet capacity is 220 sheets of paper.
We have umbrella and highlighters. I don't know how many highlighters.
Oh, here's another one of highlighters. So each one has 4.
Each one has 4 in there, right?
Yeah.
And then we have the erasers that goes on the top of the pencil. We have 2 bags of them. Each of them are 25 erasers.
So that's 50 erasers.
So that's 50.
We have tape. There's 3 tapes in here. 3 of the Scotch tape. We have scissors. I think we only got 1 scissors.
Yeah, but we have 30. This is a pack of 30 pens. 30 pens. May I read in a comment? Let me hear one I say. It can split for 2 kids. The more common number, that's what we're going to go with.
Yeah.
Yeah, so no help we out. The more common number. Because like I said, I don't want to split it too thin where it doesn't serve. Yeah? We have 2 of the
pencil cases.
Pencil cases.
Let me put this over here. All right. We have tissue.
Yeah, 3 of those.
3 individual packets of tissue.
We have toothbrush. We have the kiddie toothbrush. We have the adult toothbrush, or just toothbrush. 6 in here.
And 5.
And 5, right? 6 and 5. Let me see what I said. Agree. 2 children. Yeah.
Okay.
Who is the
Here's a stapler.
Number?
This is a stapler.
These are index card, 4 of them, and each one has 100. Yeah. So
all right. This is the index card box. We only got 1.
Yeah, because we were buying.
For
one child.
Yeah, initially.
But if, we keep getting messages that 2, we can split it in 2. Mini staplers, we got 2 of them.
So we have 1 big and 2 small.
We have 1 big and 2 small. We're still gonna be we're gonna do this. Oh Lord.
So
whiteout.
We have the liquid whiteout and the tape whiteout.
Yeah, and we have the more eraser. Besides the one these ones, we have another one with 2
package
in here.
of 2.
And we have the whiteout, the liquid.
And we have this is hand sanitizer. We only got 1.
So we're gonna try and split it the best way we can, and try to equal it out. One child is definitely gonna get more than the other, because it's not all even number.
No, it's not all even.
Okay, these are sharpeners. We had 2 of them.
This is a water bottle. We only got 1.
And maybe we could just get another water bottle.
Yeah, maybe we could get another water bottle. And these are floss.
Floss with toothpick on it. It's
a floss / toothpick.
Yeah.
There's 60 in it.
Yeah, 60 in it. So let's see the numbers. That's a good gesture. Someone on my page was asking for help for back to school, but I can't help because I have helped 3 kids already from my pocket. Shazabi, you could tell them to follow us and because how we do it on our platform, we always do games, Shaza, where we create a level playing field for someone to win help for back to school. We do cash. This is the first year we're actually doing school supplies with cash.
Right.
We don't like to say when we're gonna come on and do it because then you'll have people who just want to come over for this occasion. So, and we want, the only thing we try to have real supporters that are not just here for this purpose. You understand? So, if she want to follow us and take a chance,
she's more than welcome.
She's more than welcome. Yeah? That's because I've helped 2 kids offline already, Shaza. So that's the best we can offer right now.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. So she just have to watch when we come on and see which night we're going to be on to do our back to school giveaway. And just participate. And she'll never know.
Never know.
Yeah, never know. Yeah. Yes, Ann. Thank you. She said she will. Yeah. Okay. Tell her to follow us, and you never know. Yeah. I mean, if she plays and it's her first time, we don't have a problem in that. But what we notice is that sometimes you have folks that will just come on our platform because they know we're generous and we don't want people to use us for that purpose only. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, we want our supporters that are here with us, even when we don't have nothing to say. They'll come and, nothing. They'll come here and just, and watch us and hang out with us and who really cares about us. We're not doing this for likes. We don't care about that. We're not doing this for love. But we want people that actually support us to benefit from this. And that's the honest truth. Yeah.
We try and be fair.
Yes.
So I saw somebody said 2.
2 lovely souls, chocolate and vanilla. Thank you so much, Cecile. All right, so we're going to do 2.
Say 2.
We're going to stick with 2
that
because
was the majority.
I feel like if we do 3, it's going to thin it out too much. And we don't want to do that. We want these kids to really have, benefit from it. If one pencil broke, then I have to worry them have 23 more. You know what I mean?
Right.
Yes. Yeah. So that's how we're gonna do it. Janice Watson, good night. How you doing, Queen? So we're gonna make the pile. We're gonna give one of this vanilla.
Okay.
We're gonna split the books them in half and 5 each. Oh, sorry. 5 each. So 5.
Hold on.
We're just gonna leave.
You're gonna leave up there.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave up here. Yeah. So 5, you have the 5. 2 of the cards for that child. The flash card. 2 for this.
Okay, so remember this has stuff in it.
So whatever is in here, we won't add it to that child's pile.
Right.
You understand?
I think that's fair.
This is fair because scissors and everything is in this.
Yeah.
So if this goes to that child's pile, whatever is in here goes to this other child. Right?
Right.
Yes. Right, right, queens?
So this has scissors, so we can leave.
So we can leave, yes, so we can leave the scissors up here.
All right, so we'll leave this here so you can see.
So we can see what's on here.
Yeah.
So the scissors, them I watch right.
Here's the scissors right here.
Yeah, scissors go in there. Yeah.
This has 2 glue sticks. This one didn't have glue sticks, so maybe.
So we'll give them the glue stick. Give this one the glue stick.
We didn't have separate glue sticks, did we?
Yes, we did.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
This has a sharpener, and we have 2. We have
Right.
2 up here.
So we can give them another sharpener because you have 2 up here, right? And this only come with 1.
Hold on.
Vanilla. Pencils in that already.
This one, they're gonna get 2 of these, right?
Yeah.
2 of these.
Let's go with the similar things for now, and then we figure out the rest of the stuff off live because it'll take forever.
Yeah.
Right? And when I want bored with audience to death, we just want
This one only has 3 pencils, so we want to get one more of these?
give them a pack of that. Yeah. We don't want bored not to death. Yeah. We just want an idea for know how many kids. The problem is that persons never support my page, but I help her out twice from my page. I agree with both of you. She got to follow and support your page if she want. Correct, because you know what, Shazabi, we've been scammed so many times.
Yes.
You know, we don't come out and talk about it, but we've helped so many people and then come to find out, you know, they took advantage of our kindness. So we try to do things a little bit differently now, you know? Yeah. Yeah, we just took the loss because, you know, our kindness costs it, and we not come and whine about it. We just come and try to do things a little bit differently. Yeah?
Right.
That's all. Yeah.
So
we're now
here,
gonna put, yeah.
I'm going to take 1 construction paper, you take 1.
Okay. Yes, so we just do the similar stuff
We have
now.
4 of these.
Vanilla, you're not listening because we can't do everything on live. We're just going to do the similar stuff. We can't break down everything on live because they're not seeing the camera. We don't have nobody to operate the camera.
I know.
And I don't
this
want
was
to
the
bore
last
them.
thing.
We have to think about what we would sit and watch.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if I can't see what the person is doing, I don't want to sit and watch.
Right.
Yeah, I'm just being
We'll show
honest.
it to them when we come back.
Yeah, when they know we're gonna, they know we're gonna be fair with what we do. They just gotta trust that we will be. There's no reason for us to be unfair,
right?
Because we don't know who's gonna win it, so there's no point.
There's no point in us
being unfair. Yeah,
that's right.
We bought them because we want to give them away. Why buy them and be unfair with them? Right. We just needed to know how many kids, and most of the audience member stated 2. So thank you guys so much for our help.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you for being here with us, coming to see about us. I love you guys, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. We'll be back to do what we do and to do our back to school giveaway. We won't say what night it is. Hopefully you guys will get the ping, or someone will get the ping that really could use these things. You know how we do it. We always keep it fun, or try to keep it fun.
Yeah?
Let's see what Shaza said. This is why I couldn't do charity, because for years I'm helping and people take the piss. They keep asking. The moment I said I can't help no more, they block me. Ungrateful wretch. They've done stuff like that to us too. You know, done stuff like that to us too. Yeah.
But it's okay.
But we won't come out and because we did it for the reason that they told us they needed the help for.
Yeah.
And as long as I do it from my heart,
we did it from a good place.
And we did it from a good place. I don't look for my reward from
them.
From people.
Nope.
My rewards come from God. And if it doesn't fall on me, it'll fall on my daughter or my granddaughter.
My children or my grandchildren.
I grew up poor, Shazabi, and even in my poor state of living back home in Jamaica, my mom would still get up and help others. My mom always said to me, even if you have 1 banana and someone's there, break that banana in half. You know, and that's what I've seen all my life. What was owed to us was treasure to some people. So what I do it from my heart. I do it because I know where I'm coming from, and who took advantage of that. At some point, I know whatever they took from us didn't flourish. I knew that for a fact. But I'm still flourishing.
Yep.
Yeah? Because my God saw that I did it from a good place and a pure place, with not even advertising it, really. Not even brought it to the platform. Because what good is that gonna do?
Right.
It's already gone. All I can do is do things a little bit differently and
try and learn
and wisen up and know that not everybody has a heart like I do, and not everybody are gonna look and say chocolate is kind, so let me be honest to her. It doesn't work that way.
No.
Yeah. So I have, as long as I can recognize them things, and whatever I lose, it's nothing to me. I'm fine. Yeah. I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine. And yeah, as long as I know that I'm doing it from a good place, nothing hidden. I'm not looking for anything in return. But genuineness. But I just figure if people are gonna take from you, at least what they can do is support you. If it's support you. Yeah, because you never know. You might need that person again.
Yeah.
You might need that person again. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you so much, everyone, my kings and my queens, for Marlene Levy, good night. Sandra Copeland, Sharon, says I like you guys. I am like you guys. My help come from my heart, and I never call them out. I leave them to God. That's
right.
it.
That's right.
No, you don't call them out. Because you know what, Shazabi, when you were given, he sees. He sees. He knew your intention before you even did it. Yeah. You know, he knew my intention before I even did it. You know, so what's coming on here and scandalize, you know,
degrading
yourself, really.
Right.
It's yourself, because you know, as much as people gonna sit down and agree with you, they're gonna be like, well, you're an idiot. You will get, nobody force you to do it. You understand? You have people like that who are gonna comment like that. No matter how, you know, how good of a person you is, somebody gonna find something bad in that situation to say. So why even do that? And especially when you know you did it from a pure place, in a good heart, you know. And no matter how many times things like that happened to me in my life, God always rewards me. Always rewards me. I've always gained back more than I've lost. Yeah, so I won't stop. I won't let 1 or 2 or 3 persons stop me, because I know that there are people out there that genuinely need help. I know that for a fact. Nobody can convince me otherwise. I've traveled too many times. I've met too many people from funded communities, people in situations that we just could never understand. And I know that there, you know, there are different circumstances outside my door. Yeah, outside my door. Yeah. And outside my family. I have to always remember that. Not everybody is fortunate, can go to the store and get these for 99 cents. I know that for a fact. I know that by the time it gets to a certain country, it's triple. Yeah? Quadruple. I know that for a fact. Because why? Because I have seen it. So, and I know no matter how small it is to me, I know that it will mean a lot
to somebody else.
To a parent. A parent who's trying, but just can cover maybe just the tuition and nothing else. Maybe just can cover the uniform and the tuition and not the supplies.
Yeah.
So I'm never gonna sit here and pretend that those people do not exist. Or I'm never gonna sit here and if they ask me and I can't give it to them, come out here and disgrace them. I'll never do that.
No. That's not who we are.
I'll never do that. I don't care who wants to do that, but chocolate will never do that.
Neither will vanilla.
That's not how I was raised, and that's not how my God tells me to do it. Yeah? It's if someone texts me behind the scene and said, Chocolate, can you do this and this for me? If I can't, I just say, I can speak to them politely. I can say, I'm so sorry. I cannot do this for you right now because such and such and such. You know, but I'm not gonna let them come off the phone feeling like less than a human being. I'm not gonna do that. And I'll never take it to social media. And believe me, we get a lot. You can't even
And sometimes
imagine.
we miss it because there are so many messages.
We get a lot. Yes, and it can be overwhelming. And sometimes, especially when you want to do it for everybody and you just know that you can't. You understand? Yeah, it gets overwhelming. But even so, I will not disgrace anyone or let them feel less than a person.
Right.
Yeah. Yes, I won't.
We think about people's feelings.
Yes, whether them have the intention to come and be dishonest, at the end of the day, you have to go and sit and deal with that. But as long as we're on the phone communicating, I'm not going to let you come off feeling less than a human being.
Right.
Yes. Yeah. My kings and queens, I love you guys. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Thank you all very much.
Thank you so much for joining us. To see us. Thank you for your input in regards to this business.
Yes, thank you. We're going to do it for two. All right? We're going to do it for two. Just because we want them to have enough to last them for a while. Right? And then we're going to do the cash in addition to this. All right?
Yes.
So we'll see you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your night.
Have a blessed night. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for coming to see about us. All right?
Shaza, nice to see you.
Nice to see you, Shaza. Big up yourself, Queen. Good night, everyone.
All right. Good night, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.